So let me show you something. This screw is the black wire, the negative. And this screw right here, this screw is the kill switch. What I'm going to do to prove to you that when you want to shut the motor off, you can connect the negative, the positive red one with this negative, you know, like what I'm doing now, or you can just do, you know, use a screwdriver. I probably can't do it with the screwdriver because probably will touch the positive. As you can see here, not enough clearance, so I can touch just these two screws. Oh, I may be able to. Let's see if I can do that. You know, if by touching this black and yellow kill switch wire, which is here, okay, this, you can see this black and yellow, it's called the kill switch wire, as you can see over there. If I ground this terminal with this negative, I'm going to be able to shut off the motor as well. Okay, so I'm going to turn on the motor, thing, and prove to you that you can ground it this way. Okay, I just turned on the motor. Alright, so you can see the motor is running now. Alright. Not sure why it's so much smoke. Anyway, so the water is still cool, so I'm still okay. What I'm going to do is I'm going to touch this kill switch. Well, first of all, let me try to shut the motor off. Actually, no, I can't. So what I'm going to do next is I'm going to connect these two wire or terminal. See if I can. Nope. But I know these two. Well, so by connecting these two, the kill. Yeah, not really. I'm connecting these two, but it's not killing the motor. But the positive and negative, I connect them, yes. Ground the motor, and the motor died. You know?